Hello everyone. On the way to Eindhoven from Amsterdam Airport, our EV car driver told us charging stations are at every corner of the city. So the green energy transition is here. But behind every EV car battery lies a hidden cost. Metal sourcing like lithium, cobalt, nickel requires large environmental and social costs, like water depletion in Chile, biodiversity loss in Indonesia, and child labor in Congo. But it doesn't stop here. These metals are traveled across oceans to be processed in other countries, making a complex global supply chain. And the information is often lost along the way. With the EU battery passport regulation coming into force in 2027, the lack of traceability will become a large problem for the industry.
With Goodmetal, we propose a tool for companies to access all the information they need on the metals they buy. So we simplify traceability, unifying all the data from mining to factory. We assess the impact on biodiversity, environment, and communities, and then we collect all this information into a unique score of sustainability. How this works? Every metal piece is linked with a unique ID code that companies can use to easily access information. Data are collected using technologies such as IoT sensors, GPS tracks, satellite images, and so on. And they are then safely stored using blockchain technology to ensure that any modification can be made. So it's a simple, trustworthy solution to enhance more sustainable choices.
So our model is based on B2B, built around subscriptions and licensing, enabling smarter and more transparent metal sourcing for the companies. We are positioning this as a non-profit organization working with NGOs and governments to ensure trust, neutrality, and alignment with sustainable choices. Next, we are planning to launch the initial minimum viable product at just about 20,000 euros to just cover our initial cost. So our roadmap is focused and bold. In 2025, we are planning to introduce our system combining with the partners of the technology. Then we plan to launch our platform by piloting with few mining companies. And moving on to 2030, we plan to integrate our scoring system into the European ESG regulations, thereby turning it to something nice to have to legally required. And the future, 2035, your car, your phone, and even your fridge might come with a sustainability score. So let every metal piece tell us a story of responsibility. We are Goodmetal. Thank you.